Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi 12 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's find the passwords and security. Now let's scroll down and enter the privacy and scroll down again to find the more security settings. Now let's tap on encryption and credentials, and finally we've got this whole section connected with the certificates. As you can see right here, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. We've got this information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. What is more, we've got also this evidence, so we cannot tap on this option again. And basically it means that we just removed everything. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.